Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Then Keyboard and Input Method, keyboard that you're currently using, and Theme. Tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here, pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!